Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwowa searching.
Na mo NDC for no wontie. Na o wana kire mo say bia Sami Jefi na che na na aba anamweska. Sami Jefi wan che neska o. Wan na na aba anamwa extra proposal. Mon kana mintie proposal. And o de come for a business proposal, women of valor. Na school na na aba anamwa akono. O ka say easy. So proposal no Sami Jefi wo ho. So proposal no be come and say ebia NDC women who can insult. Not ebia on sponsor mu. Because in the future they will ask him a corporate and social responsibility adie na oye mo mu. What you say? Na na ba na mo de proposal ko e. Ko school am say here ho. Ko school free as it tabako bi. O ja say na na ba na mo NPP for. What's your proposal? Ya jatu.
Kama wo kran say be ene da ha no. Ene da ha no. Wo sa ka kire say even 105,000 na wo mo qualify no. Emu 5,000 pe na wo bi tima fa ye. De me kan say semuntaka ye bra ho na bu nim say ontimi mfa sa ankola ni na wo mo kotua sika ye den. That is my question. And sa sika no mutu over 500,000 you know wo kokotua ye no. Sika no ko hin. Na Kevin Taylor after all this in Kevin Taylor te honom prezi eye muntaka Mubarak. Said the oye and 1 year boni. Yes, I thought to tell the make ye. Kevin Taylor Koya, Netina Hona Nana Bana Mua, Odina Tem, Sawa ye bonsam, and ne Kevin Taylor Ninity say. Till the make no. Sa Kevin Taylor Koya, and again we say a friend said your talk car man no. And it you want me in be defending Kevin Taylor and Kevin Taylor koto car man. And no Osuani, many in your free area bako. Agona bipua. And no Osuani Kevin Taylor started crazy Osuani say. Obeba abren mpobwane ade enye se obeka se na o ka se we na ye ya na no how can say wo di nkrofo bi anya ntoka ne ye na ye ya be defend na ne wo no mo akwa ye wan ne o mo ba be atamfo e show clearly say John Dramani mama ni ho no ma dako Kevin Taylor mo fa saba because we betray and this said we betray MPP for no Kevin Taylor betray MPP just like that e sika bi na o pa o man fa ama no e na Kevin Taylor ja no and don't forget said the nsaka one DCCC ano so obi ba no anfa ama na obe betray ye ni suba ti sekatiche afrifa ti da bia me ka kire say MPP ni a wo so waje MPP no ni hu ohun se ne Melacres Aboaje ni hu ohun se na Bronya ni hu ohun se ne Afenyo Markins eno na Afenyo Markins e ka no papa no kuo na ojo ntu o ka no kuro ye ka kire papa muntaka se nkra mi followers e na me so mo kokofa forms no ebi wa brochire na mo de na me so mo ba kofa no wo mo mma wo mo maame no mo kuru no nyina se wo mo nto aba man dis da me ka kire mu plain enti muntaka me bra ebe ya di can resign abufu a edi aba na eso undimi nka nkire me say me nkonkoto ayi ka ba ko dumra aba unim se wo garage no e fa ka mienu me nso ana menye ne den nyansafo na so nkire asɛmte she video no na obi anye awe o Kevin Taylor egu party no me next video no me ba bo video na muntaka se de ade na wo ye nipa bebre aja wo mabufuo wo so omuntu aba man dis bi ma Kevin Taylor ntimi ma bonten e be condemn en ka kire bra muntaka fi sanse de ba bugo Kevin Taylor is selfish interest ne say wo wanya de wo ye nti wo video so wo ye nyina kora no wo followers ya hen en na hwe adom best no hwe nipa bebre nkolai e na promote video yi ma obi a hu say Kevin Taylor de wo kan ye but just a single day kura say me tie say Kevin Taylor kura be ka say this TikTokers no aban twa na ni be hwe mo da kokora won kada na me ka tell say yeah omo ye to party ni mo no ye ntena se mammo a mo de mo yefuru nam ade tia no party we ade tia me say me ka tell mo say asante atim no of organizer adwo asafo a e fa me siesie mi pa adwuma ma me ya yi because of so ye MPP ni me na ntami dwane ja no ba mo de ade tia mo ha no ye ntena se da ye mo de be sie ni because party ye ya wofo edi akire sa abre no wudi party achi jeje eba power craft after election jeje wini ni power no 94 no ye de mo ene bre ye ya wofo no na bibi pa ba mu no mo ma beja kenten so afa de mo de ye mo hu yie na wo wi ankrofo a wo no munya beef a ye be kanta no wo wi a wasa akoto ka ma mo a Kevin Taylor me say efiri na economy ni wanya me ka kire Ohuru video be ka say ani me pen attention. What attention kan kan me pe but no ma wo ye nye no na Kevin Taylor me kan mu bi ate. She video na
I'm surprised say yetimi aba power 2 years in yekwe no obi etimi awia Ghana sika sani amoka wo mo campaign platform NDC I'm surprised the Attorney General is not doing anything to me. Listen, people, a man for a say and sika, and there are so many evidence. I actually say Cecilia da Pamoni dear Aya Boni and say Asutri Tibiba MS serve as deterrent Magana for who say Boni and our chrono and our corruption and yet. That was one of our biggest campaign promises. So be aware the crazy kabia be making sure say ye beji Ghana sika. Eniti na moye bibia ye friend ora. Ene akosi sen eye kasa. Sana mo kasa keke. Ayeni, listen. We will not allow anybody to frustrate this party. No. NDC nyo bia the opposition here the amount. Nobody owns this party. A Congress party. Yeah? Ye can't tell someone fast tracking monioma. No one yai ni amoye and got legal process. Hey, yen na kokotu. Me mananti for the past 20 years. Monti mintre and ye kosu wokotu. Ye nyang kolau. Ade se body no to share yenim sa abin. Nyemu na mbekire se body to share embin yenim sa abin tinashe. Then also Godfred Odamiti opposition or making sure said they be on am court. No person daily at forcing because Najumo person no. Maza, wouldn't be. Mommy and Henny and Yomayi. More promising Ghana for say MPP for collapse your mind. Ntimubeji sikana momu. That is the biggest promise. And here is a whole asem ni eka. And a man is about to see the nya no ni eka. A man for we are chronisika yesika. Ya pese ye wuso obi gina court aye twe na agi yesika. That is the bottom line. That is what we want to see. It's not about talking. Yet ya and on back at say energy ministry cable subin crofo we na sa asam no ma sate. You people think we are stupid. We shall see. You better share. Who they say wa. Wallahi. You better share. Share cocoa board. Most MPP for na collapse cocoa board. Oma disike o nyina and a cocoa board ugu and a randia the person revamp cocoa board. And the MPP for disika and omona wa
eye me call ye no anko ye utie me call ye na anye den anko ye. Okay, all right, tell me ba inti no metna se na maye adwuma and I say I want to take my time and then think of what I want to do next. Me the no me a ubedi metine the American no. Na they are obetsna ha one more brake kan kwase asem. Edefa Dr. Baumia any MPP ho no. Eka say MPP nya de na NDC better than MPP no. Or say by force so amen kwate me ho. Hello Sterling. Who bibi kan? Okay. You, Pepacho you, Mate. Now, Odiobedi mimechini say, or kote party amame by force. The base, yati a party. Chale, Ghana for. Me na ubedi mechino. Me ya baby nkoka me kote party. Say 2x4 adwene na we bedi mechi because we dey say ye be dawa lotion amount ambemu no o dey kwa koti party. Let me tell you people this, and nobody should control me on this. Some of the Kennedy Japan supporters, some of the Brian Champion supporters, some of the Educhum supporters, Cabinet Japan, anyone who went for the election supporters, amudi kwasi play enti ana mo ho nya kono bi no se moya mo ho se mo ba be ye mo ho enemy of the state, enemy of progress here. This time around ye mfa nchemo ye begi doctor campaign ni de sin China ya mampanifo na omo ye na koye na ye no ya seda e de kobre e de aboyeti ene mo atena nkwase a app yi so Eddin kwasiasem we bin si Ghana da. Se mo obobo obodam a yakoto waba. Abato no yato awie. Di owini ye wini. So far Brian Champo megina baby anka se ote ne ho. So far Kennedy Japan enyina baby aso ote ne ho. Enti abaifo nkurasefo na wo maame no nim nyansa enti no wo mama abodamfo ma na ene wo nyenyem ye. Edi sikadie ne kwasiasem abefra MPP mu a wo person kwasiasem ba MPP no you are warned. You are very warned. This time we will not tolerate the stupidness. It's not going to happen. May catch them playing. Mo amujina sa Kennedy Japan kwankwati sabi mo no sabi mujina ho ye den. Mo kwati party ne. Aden na mo ankasa mo kwankwati party ne. But mo Jimmy mo ya baifo. At the papa ekoso mo mpenti no, yemfa distraction. Emfa mrem. Until Kennedy Japan does a press conference to tell the whole world, says he say MPP no on kahubio na wakoti the party no. You guys are irrelevant trash. Moye trash. Especially when I'm TikTok and social media no. Moye trash. Moye wuda. Moye got the musio. Those bloggers, 2x4 bloggers, no mukra, 70 viewers, 50 viewers for no. Muntie ni ye pa. Until Kennedy Japan himself tells you so kwatino no. Monfa mani wuo. Mo beye ene mo nkwasi etire esi mo nkwasi akonso enkodi mo maame no aduane. No chance for imbecility this time around. Sen kura sesem no ye meso so this time around kura. Na o modam a we be di me machi. Na najwa we be di machi. I don't even care if Kennedy Japan is behind them. I don't give a fuck. Man, no, what I care is that Kennedy Japan hasn't come out to say anything. So for me, he has not come out to say it. Until Kennedy comes out to say it and now he's no longer, then we treat him like Alan. But as it stands, same crasa for na mudi di nechi la sulala for na mudi nechi 50 viewers, 19 viewers for na ya na mudi no. This time be very careful. People think it's a joke. Some obey ye na empire the papa. And untima betina bru chiriman mobra. Matri taxi 83 years, 33 years. I'll just say, can you Japan baby belima factory hoa? And I will tax in a Uchin Americano, Ubenya Huskano, Sankura Semno. We are not gonna tolerate it no more. Mo amokwaje parian for ye to talk cast mamo, phobia member kwasiye. This time I remember Jimmy. Now, crowd ye say, Yakaso Kolo, a buanka, phobia member, number one. Number one, who we are see our buy, when you go on far and one farm wow. Oh, nyefe. Uti nyefe. Osia pro, wenumu bon. Height so I am maubi. Body so I am maubi. Kasa so I de cabro for so I am maubi. Reading your name, Krana, who nimu ye. Baumia, Baumia. Ne kramayo wo fie kura ho won faso chen wo phobia member Samira Baumia sebio mprediasa waye na ayi awie kura ko yi akone no de oyi akone no kura ho won faso chen wo abu bi tese phobia member na wo sa boy we dia mebo wo phobia member mebo last time we me we feed that any opportunity be a wo phobia member da ye be biem mebo se me yemu ba me kan bibia wo sa boy no mebo. People think it's a joke. When your party politics so there be, some boy need you make no physical, make no physical. Now make no man up on with him. I promise. I bet you come over. So I'll be with you. Me poor boy, me push phobia, me phobia. Ebi an New York or no man ye be invite me here. And New York for ye be invite me the me bawa.